Think your job is safe? Think again. The robots are coming. Well, not exactly robots, but AI. And it's coming for your job. We're talking next-level artificial intelligence that can write, design, code, and even provide therapy, all without needing a coffee break. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 10 AI tools poised to shake up the job market by 2025. We'll break down what each tool does, how it works, and most importantly, who needs to watch their backs. Buckle up because the future is closer than you think, and it's powered by AI. Let's get right into it. First up, we have ChatGPT-4, the latest and greatest in language AI. This isn't your grandma's chatbot, guys. ChatGPT-4 can hold full-blown conversations, write different kinds of creative content, and even generate code in multiple programming languages. This means customer service reps, content writers, even some entry-level coders, your roles are officially on notice. Companies are already integrating ChatGPT-4 into their workflows to automate tasks, boost efficiency, and yeah, you guessed it, cut costs. Next up is DALL-E 3, and this one is for all the creatives out there. Remember those Draw Anything apps? DALL-E 3 is like that, but on steroids. You give it a text description no matter how specific or bizarre, and boom, it generates a unique, high-quality image. This is huge and potentially a game-changer for industries like advertising, marketing, and even fine art. Graphic designers, illustrators, you might want to start learning some new skills because DALL-E 3 is coming in hot. Now let's talk marketing, because that's where Jasper comes in. This AI tool is a marketing team's dream, or nightmare depending on who you ask. Jasper specializes in generating compelling marketing copy, from website content to social media posts, and even ad copy. And the crazy part? It doesn't just spit out generic fluff. Jasper learns your brand voice, target audience, and even analyzes what's working for your competitors. So yeah, marketing teams, brace yourselves for some serious competition from this AI wordsmith. Chapter 4. Synthesia, the AI Spielberg. Ever imagine a world where anyone could create high-quality videos without ever picking up a camera? Well, that's exactly what Synthesia is making possible. This AI tool lets you create videos with realistic AI avatars that can speak your script in multiple languages. No need for expensive studios, actors, or even video editing skills. Just type in your script, choose your avatar, and Synthesia handles the rest. Video production companies, actors, even YouTubers, this one's a game changer. Chapter 5, Replika, the AI Therapist. Okay, this next one is where things start to get really interesting. Meet Replika, an AI companion designed to provide emotional support and even mental health assistance. Replika uses natural language processing and machine learning to understand your emotions, learn your communication style, and offer personalized support. Now I know what you're thinking. Can an AI really replace human connection and empathy? That's a debate for another video, but what's clear is that Replika and similar AI tools are poised to disrupt the mental health industry in a big way. Chapter 6. Grammarly, the AI Grammar Police. We've all been there staring at a screen full of red squiggly lines wondering if we'll ever master the English language. Well, Grammarly is here to save the day, and potentially steal some jobs in the process. This AI-powered writing assistant goes way beyond basic grammar and spell check. It analyzes your writing style, suggests improvements for clarity and conciseness, and even helps you tailor your tone for different audiences. Editors, proofreaders, even English teachers, watch out, Grammarly is coming for your red pens. Chapter 7. Remember the days of clunky translation software that produced hilariously inaccurate results? Yeah, DeepL is nothing like that. This AI-powered translation service is so good, it's giving professional translators a run for their money. DeepL uses deep learning to understand the nuances of language and deliver translations that are not only accurate but also natural sounding. So, translators and interpreters, it might be time to brush up on your other skills because DeepL is raising the bar for language translation. Next up is OpenAI Codex, and this one is for all you coders out there. Imagine describing what you want your code to do in plain English and then, boom, the AI writes the code for you. That's exactly what Codex can do. It understands natural language instructions and translates them into working code in multiple programming languages. This has the potential to revolutionize software development, making it faster, more accessible, and potentially automating some coding tasks. Software developers, it's time to level up your skills because Codex is coming for your keyboard. Tired of endless email chains just to schedule a meeting? Clara feels your pain. This AI scheduling assistant integrates seamlessly with your calendar and handles all the back and forth of scheduling appointments, meetings, and even conference calls. Just tell Clara what you need and she'll take care of the rest, finding a time that works for everyone, sending out invites, and even rescheduling if needed. Administrative assistants, executive assistants, even project managers, Clara is here to make your lives easier and potentially take your jobs. Last but not least, we have Descript, an AI-powered tool that's about to revolutionize the way we edit audio and video. Forget about scrubbing through timelines and messing with complicated software. Descript lets you edit audio and video by simply editing the text transcript. Want to remove a filler word? Just delete it from the transcript and Descript takes care of the rest. Need to rearrange sections of your video? Just drag and drop the text. Audio and video editors, get ready for a wild ride, because Descript is about to change the game. So, there you have it, the top 10 AI tools poised to disrupt the job market by 2025. It's a lot to take in, right? The future is coming at us fast and it's powered by artificial intelligence. But here's the thing, this isn't necessarily a bad thing. While some jobs might be automated, AI also has the potential to create new opportunities, boost productivity, and improve our lives in countless ways. The key is to adapt, learn new skills, and embrace the change. Don't get left behind. Start exploring these AI tools today, and who knows, you might just find yourself ahead of the curve. And as always, make sure you're subscribed for more tech breakdowns and insights into the future. See you in the next one.